You know that one dish that fills the kitchen with the smell of home? That's classic spaghetti and meatballs. We're not just making dinner, we're making comfort in a bowl. Start by sautéing chopped onions over medium heat. Season with salt and pepper. Give it 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft, fragrant, and just turning golden. Then set them aside. This builds our flavor base. Next up, meatballs. Grab a mixing bowl and add your ground beef, minced garlic, chopped parsley, breadcrumbs, oregano, and half of those golden sautéed onions you just made. Crack in 1 egg, season with salt and pepper, then pour in a splash of milk. Stir in freshly grated Parmesan. Gently mix everything together just until it holds. You're looking for tender, not tough. Roll the mixture into meatballs. Golf ball size is perfect. Once they're all done, pop them in the fridge while we get the sauce ready. Heat a little olive oil in your pan. Add the rest of the sautéed onions and more garlic because yes, we love flavor. Pour in the passata, then rinse the jar with a little water and add that in so nothing goes to waste. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. Next, add the crushed tomatoes, oregano, and thyme. Stir in the basil and parsley, pressing them down so they're covered in the sauce. Season with salt and pepper, pour in a little more water, and let it all simmer gently for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, heat your oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop in the meatballs and sear for about a minute per side, just enough to give them that gorgeous brown crust. We're not cooking them through yet. Then gently nestle the meatballs into the simmering sauce, pressing them down so they're fully covered. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt, remove the herb stems, they've already shared their flavor. Lower the heat and let it all simmer for 20 minutes. The sauce will thicken and the meatballs will come out irresistibly tender. Time for the pasta. Add it to boiling water and salt the water generously, firm to the bite. Then toss straight into the pan. Stir in a knob of butter, a handful of Parmesan, and a splash of pasta water. Give it a good stir for creamy, cheesy magic right in the pot. Now bring it all together. Ladle a generous scoop of the tomato meat sauce over your buttery pasta and toss until every strand is coated in that rich, meaty sauce. Plate the pasta on a nice plate you love and arrange the meatballs on the side. Ladle more sauce on top, then finish with cracked black pepper, more freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Add fresh parsley leaves for a warm finish. This is comfort dinner, warm, hearty, and satisfying. Cut into a meatball and enjoy that rich, savory flavor. Grab a fork and dig in.